Good morning, students. Today, let us learn a new lesson, our need for water. Children, when mom and dad scold you, what do? You cry. That means tears flow from your eyes. Okay. In school, there are tamarind trees, right? In the recess time, you all run under the tamarind tree. Now, if you see the tree full of tamarinds, what will you do? You feel like eating them. But first, looking at it, your mouth starts watering. Yes or no? Yes. How do we come to know we have a cold? Cold means sardi. In Marathi, sardi. Yeah. When we have a cold, we sneeze. Our nose gets blocked. We have problem in breathing. And our nose runs when we have a cold. Yes or no? Yes. Suppose I am cutting an apple. And if I get a cut, what will happen? It will start bleeding. No? Then what does this tell us? That tears, saliva, water running from the mouth and from the nose and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow. They contain water. Tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow. They contain water. With the help of your mother, you can try this. Take a cucumber, a small piece of cucumber, grate it, squeeze it hard. What you will see? It contains water. Now, take a slice of lemon, squeeze it hard. What do you see? Juice flows out of the grated cucumber and the lemon slice. What does it tell us? It tells us that there is water in a cucumber and a lemon. My dear students, water is the basic need of all living things. When we go for running race or for a walk, speed walk, after coming back, we feel thirsty. Why do we feel thirsty? We need water if our body has to function properly. Understood? Water keeps our blood thin. Water helps to digest our food. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. We must have enough water in our body at all the times. When there is a lack of water in our body, we get thirsty. Why do we feel thirsty, my dear children? Because we have a lack of water in our body. Means there is less water when we walk. No, we sweat. When we run, we sweat. So the there is lack of water in our body, and that's why we get thirsty. Did you understand the answer? Like us, other living things too need water. My dear students, all living things need water, whether it is animals or plants or we human beings. We need water to live our life. Did you understand this much? Now I have taught you page 46 of your EVS textbook. Read this page and with the help of your mother, try this. You grate a cucumber, you cut a lemon and squeeze it and see whether the juice comes out. Understood? And on this you will understand that the cucumber or the lemon also contain water. Even you can name some other vegetables. Okay, you can also fruits. Watermelon. You cut a watermelon. That also contains water. Did you understand, my students? So like this, you name 5 vegetables and 5 fruits which contain water. Okay, in the form of juice. Did you understand, my dear students? Okay. Thank you. This is enough for today.